Ryan and Dada, take two.
Ready? Catch it and slam dunk.
Oh, try again.
Ready? Catch it and slam dunk. All right.
Woo!
One more try.
You did it.
And catch it and slam dunk. All right.
Yay! Now you just slam dunk all by yourself.
Do slam dunk. Oh, almost. Try again.
Okay.
Let me see your cool shirt. What does it say?
Oh,
Wow!
show mommy your shirt.
Let me see your shirt. Who's on there?
Bulls.
What?
Where did you go yesterday?
Basketball.
Who did you see there?
Buddy.
Benny the Bull?
Playing
What is he doing?
playing basketball.
Playing basketball?
Like I do.
Was that your first Bulls game? Did they win?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Kick their butts.
What did you do when they won?
Two.
Did you clap?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah. Tap, tap, tap.
Do slam dunk.
Woo! Say, I'm the next. Ryan,
Basketball.
I'm the next.
Basketball.
Michael.
Golden.
Jordan.
All right.
You gotta save this 20 years from now.
Why do we play basketball?
Good job. You want to do slam dunk?
Yeah.
See how much hair Daddy has 20 years from now.
Go.
None.
Yeah.
Ready? Catch it. And slam dunk. Oh, almost. Catch it. Try again. Catch it. Catch it. And slam dunk. Oh, almost.
Off the backboard.